Hey guys, I chose to do my cool tool video on Prezi. I kind of just want to show you how it works, navigate around a little bit, and give you guys an idea of how to get started if you want to make one, or if you already have one, different things you guys can choose from. So to start a Prezi, you want to click on this Get Started right here in the little right hand corner. And these right here are all ones you can pay for. I don't think that's necessary. I use the free one, which is you want to click to this basics button right here and click the free today start trial. But it's continuous, it's not a trial, so you're able to kind of log on whenever you want to do a project. I'm going to log into my account to show you guys all the different things you're able to do and stuff like that. Prezi is kind of like a PowerPoint, but I just think it's different. There's more things to choose from. You can make it different. PowerPoint kind of is the same old thing after a while, and here with Prezi, you're able to do different things and stuff like that. So here is Prezi, and here's some of the projects that I've done. So for one, I'll show you one. For this one, I had to do a success lifeline for one of my classes. And I was a softball player when I was younger and in high school and college, so that's kind of why my background's like that. But I was able to create this, and each one of these bubbles is a different time in my life, and you're able to put pictures on the background, just like the softball fields there. Each you could do each one of these is, I guess you would call like a slide for a PowerPoint. So you can just click on one, like 2011. It was my junior year in high school. This is the slide for that one. Going to the next year is 2012, 2013, and I graduated high school and I started college. So that was something I did with Prezi here. This is when I was in college. I graduated in 2016, and that's an option that can be used for Prezi as well. You can edit it any way you want. You can present it, and it automatically saves it onto Prezi for you, so it's kind of cool. You don't have to worry about your work being deleted. Another thing I did was a graphic organizer, so you can use Prezi for multiple things, like a slideshow, a graphic organizer, and just different projects you have. I use this as a graphic organizer for one of my classes. Graphic organizers are supposed to be simple. So here's the breakdown of what everything is, and you can click on one and it has brief points on what the section you chose is. So that's another way you can use Prezi. Again, you can insert things. You just have to put this back to edit. So this is how you edit it. Again, it's very similar to PowerPoint. So here's like the different slides, which is each bullet point right here that you see. And you can edit them. You could tap and, erase things and things like that. Add more detail. You could add subtitle. You could do different fonts. You can add animations and music to this. Insert pictures. It's just very easygoing and very tech friendly, and it's not hard to figure out. Other things you could do with Prezi are oops, let me go back here. Our new presentation. So let's try and look at the new presentation and our options we get to choose from. So here are two different type of templates you can choose from, and I know some of this might be challenging for others because they're not so familiar with it, but if you see in the bottom right hand corner of each template, it says the level. This one says novice, this one says novice, so these are all for beginners. This one right here on the right hand corner is a master one, so this one's going to be a little more complicated to use. But here's all of the different templates you can choose from, and I think they're just cool. It gives you a different look. Just not the same old PowerPoint we see every day in class. You know, it allows to add character. You can add different things. They even have education categories. So here's different ones you can choose for a project like this one, this open book one. We can look at it. So each letter right here is a different kind of slide. So if we want to explore this template, we'll look at it. So the first slide could be the introduction. The next one you can go to will be the next topic, add more slides, just kind of whatever you think is important for your topic. You can add it into these little things and it looks like a book. So that's cool to use as well. If you're doing a history project, you know, for your history class, this would be a great one. You can have your topic here, show a map of the world, and then just add different specific things you think you need to be in your project. And again, you can just go through these and find one that you like. Each one, like I said, it has different levels. So this one is going to be very complicated because it's skilled and this one's master. But I think it's a good tool for students to use, get familiar with, know that they have other options than just PowerPoint. But yeah, so that's what I chose to do my project on. It has different categories. It's free, very easy to use. And thank you for watching my video.